Can you come here? Yeah. Hi, Dulce. I'm your manual osteopath today. Can I have your consent?
Yes.
Okay, so now I'm going to start your assessment. That's global assessment. Okay, and Mitchell's global assessment. It's okay. So just follow me. Okay, so just walk. This okay, walk. Okay, I'm going. Okay, gait posture. Okay, walk. Going to check. You're limping on the right side. I'm going to check your posterior and then anterior. Your posterior is that you're a little bit lordosis. Okay. Okay, now next assessment is global extension. So global extension, so what you gotta do is just flex your arm and wrist. Okay, bend as much you can. Okay. Okay, it should be the feet is flat. Okay. Okay, yeah, you did right. Yeah. Do you have any pain on the right side?
Yes.
Okay, how about on the left side?
No.
No. Okay, next. Okay, we're good. Next test is global extension. So just global extension. So just extend your arm and wrist. Okay, extend your head. Do you have any pain?
No.
No?
No.
How about your lower back? Do you have any part on the right?
Yes.
How about on the left?
No.
No. Okay. So next is like shoulder circumduction. So what you're gonna do is just like this. Okay, like back and forth. Okay. Do you have any pain?
No.
Okay, to the left side, other side. Do you have any pain?
No.
No. Okay, next is like hip circumduction. Okay, so hip circumduction. So I got to just okay, the other side and the other side and back. Do you have any pain on the left or the right?
Right.
Right. Okay. On the knee or the hips?
Knee and my hips.
Okay. So now, okay. So side bending. Side bending. Yeah. Can you sit down, please, on the table? Okay. Side bending. So put your arm in the chest. Side bending to the right. Side bending to the left. Do you have any pain?
No.
No. Okay. Next is like cervical motion. Cervical motion is like, okay, turn to the right, turn to the left, face down, head up. Do you have any pain?
No.
And then look to the side. Look to the left side. Do you have any pain?
No.
No. Okay. Last assessment for the global assessment and Mitchell screening is the thoracic motion. Okay, the client is head first. Okay, can you lay down? Yeah. Okay, I'm going to check your the lateral rib. Okay, what you gotta do, inhale, exhale. I'm going to check you looking for inhalation, depression, upward and outwards. Looks good. Okay. Can you stand up, please? So now, next test is like sclerotomes. Sclerotomes is the test for sensation in skin, the nerve root. Okay, can you face down by the wall, please? Okay, to check your L1 to L5, and S1 to S2. So L1. So I'm going to find the rib cage last. Okay, this is your last rib cage, and then this is T12. Below that's L1. So L1 coming from here goes to her, going to inguinal. L2 coming from here goes to the lateral in the medial of the thigh. L3 coming from here goes to her to the lateral and then perpendicular goes to the middle of the knee. L4 coming from here goes to her, to the lateral of the knee, to the lateral, to the middle of the leg, to the big toe. Do you have any sensation?
Yes.
Okay. L5 coming from here goes to her, coming to the lateral of the leg, goes to her, goes to the middle of the toe. Do you have any sensation?
Yes.
Okay. So S1 coming from here goes to her, lateral of the knee, lateral of the legs, at the end of the leg. Do you have any sensation?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Start from her, the knee. Okay. The middle of the leg, and then at the end of the leg. Do you have any sensation?
Yes.
That's sclerotones. So now, myotones. So myotones is test for the strength and the weight of muscle. Okay. So of the nerve root. So start for T1. I'm going to squeeze your arm, fingers. Okay, and then just open slowly. Do you have any pain? No. Okay. Now we're going to check the L1 to L5. So the client is a supine position. So yeah, put your head down first. Yeah. So let's go start the hip flexion. So I'm going to hip flexion. Okay. Can you push up? Yeah. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you have any pain?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, next is like this one. Extend the knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you have any pain on the right side? This one?
Yes.
Okay. Let's go to the other side. Okay. Flex the hip. The hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the other side. Okay. Extend the elbow. Extend the knee. Okay. Push up. Push up. Okay. Thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you have any pain?
No.
Okay. L4. L4. Okay. L4 is like an ankle flexion. So push me up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you have any pain?
No.
Okay. L5 is like your big toe extension. Push me up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you have any pain?
No.
Okay. S1 is like ankle flexion. Push me down. Yeah. Towards me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In inversion. Okay. Push me up. Out. 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 Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you have any pain?
In the right.
On the right. Okay. Up the knee or?
In the knee.
Okay. Okay. Let's go. S2. So extend the knee. Push me down. 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you have any pain?
No.
Okay. Okay. Now we're going to check your. Can you stand up, please? Thank you so much. Now we're going to check your the Mitchell testing. So we start the standing position. Okay. The first is I'm going to check your height of your ilium. Okay. So I'm going to check. So, this is your PSIS. This is your ASIS. Okay. Can you up your hips? Up. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Your posterior is tilted. This right. This on the left. Okay. I'm going to check on the right. Okay, same as that one. Can you lift your hip, please? Okay. 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 Your anterior on the right. It's tilted. You have compensatory. Okay. I'm going to check your PSIS. Okay. Okay. This is your anterior. And this is your PSIS. Okay. Okay, so as neutral, it's even. Yeah. Okay. So we're going to check your upslip. Okay? Just neutral, upslip, and then flexion. Head down, yeah? Head down as much as you can. Okay. Same, okay? deep sulcus. Okay, your deep sulcus. This is your PSIS. Okay, deep sulcus below beside that. Okay, your this is for the neutral deep sulcus. So on the right, it's as a neutral is deep, and the left is elevated. Can you do? I'm going to check your spinal. Okay, spinal assessment. Okay, if there's any misalignment. Okay, this side. Yeah, your lordosis. Going to check your transverse process. Neutral. Okay, can you flex head down, please? Yeah. Yeah, you have this is pain on the right side, this one?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you have a hypertonicity on the quadratus lumborum on the right side. Okay, can you do extension? Okay, yeah, extension, yeah. Thank you. Okay, next for the Mitchell testing is a seated position. Can you sit down? Let's go the other side, please. Go the other side. This is your okay. This is your ESIS, and then this is your PSIS. Okay. Okay. Can you head down, please? Okay. Nothing wrong. Neutral. Now I'm going to check your deep sulcus. Okay. Okay. This is your PSIS. PSIS. Okay. Below that, that's your deep sulcus. Okay. As a neutral, your deep sulcus on the right side is deep. Going to check your spine. Okay. As a neutral. Okay. Neutral. Can you flexion, down your head, okay? Let's check. Okay, your thoracic, just down, okay, just down. Your thoracic, transverse process. Okay. Can you down up, extension, yeah, as much you can. Thank you. There's any side bending? Nothing, no side bending. I'm going to check your transverse process. Okay. We're good now. So next is your prone. So face down first. Your prone, okay, face down first. Face down. Okay. Okay, can you move a little bit in here? Yeah, move. Okay. Yeah. That should be good. I'm going to check your PSIS first, ilium. Okay. Okay. This is the PSIS. Okay. Okay, beside that. Yeah, I'm going to check your deep sulcus, okay? This is a neutral. Your deep sulcus as a neutral is deep on the right side. Okay, your sacrum. Okay, just relax. Okay, just relax. Okay. Okay. Oh, you're a little bit notation. Yeah. Okay. sacrum. This is your ILA, that inferior lateral angle. Okay, this is neutral. It's fine, level. Can you extend? Just okay, extend head up, please. Use the elbow as much you can. Okay, good. Okay, okay, good. Okay, I'm going to check your coccyx. Okay, from here. Okay. Yeah. Your rotation, yeah, your coccyx. Okay, now we're going to check that your prone supine position. Can you stand up, please? Yeah. Can you head down first? I'm going to check your pubic tubercle. Okay. So can I get your consent?
Yes.
Okay. So this so your arm put in your this one. So I'm going to check your tubercle, pubic tubercle. Okay, from navel to here. Okay, this is your pubic tubercle. Okay, so I'm going to measure this one from pubic to the ASIS. Okay, your ASIS is here. It's 8. Going to the other side. Okay, okay. ASIS. Okay. No misalign for the pubic. Now I'm going to check your greater trochanter to medial malleolus. Okay. Your greater trochanter is here. Okay. To the medial malleolus. Okay. It's 30. I'll go to the other side. Okay. Okay. Greater trochanter. Okay. 30 as well. So there's no misalign for the greater trochanter to medial malleolus. Now, okay, just stay. Okay, so now I'm going to check. I'm going to assessment for functional with resisted or with an MAT. So now, so I'm going to start the okay. So the knee flexion. So what you're gonna do? Okay, there you have pain here.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so what you're gonna do? I'm going push me out. Okay, I'm going to hold 10. Just relax. I'm going to hold 10 seconds for just use 10% effort. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do you have any pain?
Yes.
Okay, where?
In my knee.
In your knee?
Yes.
Okay. So now, okay, knee extension. Okay, knee extension. Okay, I'm going to Spain. Okay, knee extension. So what you're gonna do? Your knee is pushed down. Okay, to the shoulder. Okay, to my shoulder. Okay, for 10 seconds and 10% effort. Push down. Just like this. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Any pain? Okay. Now I'm going to the other side. This test is for bilateral. Okay. Same as this one. Okay. There's a pain in here?
No.
No? Okay. Can you push me for 10% effort for 10 seconds? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Knee. Okay. Now knee flexion. Knee extension. Okay. So knee extension. Okay. Your feet is pushed down. Okay. Okay. Yeah. 1, Have any pain?
No.
Okay. Now, okay, that's going to the medial hip rotation. Okay, medial hip rotation. So what we're gonna do? Okay, push me. Okay, use the resistance. Okay, no, in, just like this. Okay, okay, push in, just like this. Yeah, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, lateral hip rotation. Okay, push out, out. No, this one out. Okay, yeah. One. Thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you have any pain?
No.
No. Okay. Figure 4. Okay, figure 4, just like this. Okay, so figure 4, I'm going to use this one. Okay,
Yes.
okay, push up. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 10% effort and relax. Okay, I'll go to the other side. Okay, go to the other side. Okay, medial rotation of the hip. Okay, okay, push me in, yeah. Okay, lateral rotation, push me out. Okay, for 10 seconds. 10% effort. Okay, okay, good. Okay, figure 4. Figure 4, relax, just relax. Okay, do you have any pain here?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, just breathe slowly. Okay, okay, now, okay, oh yeah, yeah, I could tell that. Okay, now, okay, push me up to the ceiling on 10%. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. Okay, just relax. Okay, okay, for the short abductor, the short abductor. Okay, so you gotta do like push out in. Okay, my arms in the knee. Okay, just relax. Okay, do you have any pain?
Yes.
Okay, the other side. Okay, the other side. Okay, push me in. Do you have pain this one?
No. No.
No. Okay, now I'm going to check your the long adductor. Okay, push out, out, in, out, out. Yeah. Do you have pain? This
Yeah.
one?
Yeah.
Which one? Knee
Yeah.
or?
Yeah. The whole that one.
Okay. Now going to the other side. One, in, push it in. Yeah. Okay. Okay, now. Okay. Abduction. Okay. Abduction. Okay. Yeah, I could tell that. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is it pain?
Just a little.
Yeah. Okay. Just relax. Okay. A deduction. 1, 2, 3, yeah. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Yes, on the other side. Okay. A deduction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A deduction for 10 seconds. Oh yeah. What's this? Do you have pain?
No.
Reduction. Okay. Okay. Now can you do like dorsiflex, ankle dorsiflex? Okay. Push me. Yeah, towards you. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then relax. Okay. Push down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and relax. Okay. Can you please? Can you flip? Face down first. Flip, please. Face down. No, no, face down, down.
Face
Yeah,
down.
yeah. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Now I'm going to check your. Okay, okay. Just relax. Okay. Okay. Knee extension. Push me out. Push me like this. Yeah. Out. No. Yes. Towards me. Towards me. Yes. Just like this. Okay. Okay. For 10%. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do you have pain?
Yes.
Okay. So now I'm going to okay. And the extension. Okay, just relax. Okay, from the femur. Okay. Yeah. The pain here.
Yes.
Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. The other side. Okay. Okay. Can you push me? Like towards me. Towards me. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Hip extension. Okay, just relax. Okay. Knee push. Your knee push down to the table. Yeah. 1. Do you have pain?
No.
No. Okay. It's only on the right side. Can you stand up, please? Yeah. So yeah, now we're going to we're going to give you treatment today, because you have problem with deep sulcus on the right side. You have problem your coccyx, your notation, and you have problem in your deep sulcus. Yeah, and the ASIS on the right side is notation, like notated, goes to the posterior. So now we're going to check, we're going to correction your, first is your sacral or coccyx, okay? So what you're gonna do, face down first, face down, okay? Actually, your affected side's on the right, okay? So I'm going to treat on the right, okay? So on the right, okay? So I'm going, my palm, the ulnar, I'm going to put the posterior of the sacrum, okay, and this one to the my other palm, ulnar. I'm going to put the into the posterior, yeah, into the posterior, okay. And then what you're gonna do, okay, what you're gonna do is just like contract your glutes or squeeze your glutes as much you can, okay, squeeze, okay, for twin. I'm going to hold, just squeeze, just like this, yeah, squeeze, yeah, squeeze, yeah, like this, okay, squeeze, okay, squeeze, okay. I'm going to hold for 20 to 30 seconds, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this one is like 3 times repetitive. Relax, just relax, okay, again, okay, I will, okay, again, squeeze again your glutes, okay, okay, and relax, okay, another one, this is the last one for the treatment, okay, squeeze your glutes, okay, thank you, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now I'm going to assess your coccyx, okay, I'm going to reassess, okay, okay. Yeah, it's good now. Okay, yeah. So now we're going to assess for your deep sulcus, okay, on the right side. So on the right side, so your deep sulcus is on the right side, affected side on the right side, okay. But I found in the neutral. So what you're gonna do, okay, this is your right, okay, yeah. No, you're right, okay. Can you, yeah,
Oh, yeah.
yes, okay, okay. So this one is like neutral, as neutral, okay, and this is bend, okay. So just relax, okay. Can you closer to me? Yeah, okay. And then neutral, okay, okay, okay. So this one, back import, okay, okay. So when I, yeah, now I feel the SI joint is moving. Okay, now, so, okay, so your knee push down to the table, okay, the 10% effort, okay, okay, 1, 2, 3, this is for 3 to 5 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax, relax, okay, 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 again, push me down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax, relax, okay, push me again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. Okay, can you stand up, please? And I'm going to assess your deep sulcus. Okay, I'm going to reassess your deep sulcus. Okay, okay, okay. Your deep sulcus. This is your ASIS, PSIS. Below that, no, beside that your deep sulcus. Okay, it's good. It's labeled now. Okay, can you, yeah, so now can you lay the face down first? I'm going to assess for the deep sulcus in the prone. PSIS. Yeah, it's good. Your deep sulcus is good. It's labeled. So now last treatment. Okay, that's for okay, another. That's for notation, posterior notation, rotation.
The
Okay.
right and the right.
Yeah, because your affected side's on the right. So now, so just like this, yeah, it's on the right. So now it's like, can you supine? Prone, yeah, prone, yeah. So prone. So what I'm, so right, this one. So my arm. Okay, I'm going to put the sacral. Okay. Sacral. Okay, I'm going bend your knee, and then just relax. Okay, I'm going to put this one to the sacral, the posterior. So what you're gonna do, okay, so this is 10% effort as well for 3 to 5, but 3 times repetition. Okay, so can you, your knee is pushed down to the table. Okay,
Yes.
okay, push down the table, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax, relax. Okay, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax, push again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. Okay, now there's another test for the anterior rotation, posterior rotation. Okay, can you, okay, can you move to the other side?
This one.
Face down first,
Down.
face down. No, head down first, head
Head
down,
down.
yeah. So you're the right, so, okay, close to me. So it should be the ischial tuberosity is like off the table, okay, the table, and this one is bent. This one is bent, okay. Can you move a little bit? Okay, move. I'm going, yeah. Your ischial tuberosity is off the table now.
Yeah.
Okay, just relax. Okay, just relax. Okay, okay. So yeah, your ischial tuberosity is off the table. So this is locked to the, your glutes is locked. Okay. So what you're gonna do? Okay. So I'm gonna resist this one, and then your knee push up. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. This is 10% effort
Yeah.
to the client. Okay. But 3 times repetition, and then 3 to 5. Okay. Seconds. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Okay. Okay. Relax. Relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And relax. Okay, now I'm going to check your ilium, your PSIS and ASIS level, okay?
Yeah.
Can you stand up, please? Okay. Okay. This one, okay? Your ilium, okay? Okay. Yeah. It was, your interior is like on the right side is tilted. We'll see what's now because we fix, okay? Okay. Can you lift your knee, your hips, please? Okay. And down, down, yeah, back to normal. It's level, yeah. We'll see. I'll go to the other side. Okay. Same as the other one. Okay. Just wait, your PSIS, and this is your ESIS. Can you okay? Oh, yeah, I'm grabbing this one, okay? And back to normal. Okay, it's level. Okay, yeah. Now we'll see you in next for maybe 1 week. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thanks so much.
Thank you. Thank you.